Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt Goldengully, updated. Start by heating milk gently and monitoring temperature. Don't rush the simmer. Cool the milk to lukewarm before adding the active yogurt starter so cultures set properly. Stir gently, incubate in a warm spot until thick, then prepare syrup and form Goldengully beads carefully. I'll walk you through each step with tips to keep texture smooth and flavors balanced. Making yogurt starts with proper milk handling and gentle heat. Heat to 180 degrees F, then cool to about 110 degrees F before adding the starter so cultures thrive. Stir in 2 tablespoons of active yogurt and keep the mixture stable in a warm spot for 6 to 8 hours until it sets. I'll share simple incubation ideas and how to judge doneness so your yogurt comes out creamy and consistent every time. Creating Goldengully beads requires a gentle hand and the right syrup texture. Heat sugar syrup to the soft ball stage, then use a piping bag or dropper to form tiny beads into cool oil or chilled syrup to set shape. Allow beads to soak briefly so they absorb sweetness without collapsing. I'll explain timing and temperature tips to keep beads crisp outside and tender inside for delightful contrast in every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.